guys, welcome to Christmas in New York City. Isn't this just so beautiful? Oh, okay, so we're at the Plaza, and today, I don't know if you can even hear me. I'm gonna go upstairs. Christmas in New York is just the most magical time of year. So we're gonna do the New York Christmas tour my style at the mall. Without further ado, here we go. Christmas shopping in New York City. Oh, it is just so gorgeous in here. All right, show you my outfit of the day before we get out. Real quick before we go, here's my outfit of the day. We are serving Gossip Girl chic right now. Hello, we got the thigh-high boots. Even though I'm probably gonna end up having to take these off, like, probably the second we get outside. Have got a very waist-snatching corset over a sexy little schoolgirl skirt and a black turtleneck for warmth. Look how cute we are, by the way. We're matching. Wait, come closer. Stop. This is adorable. Anyways, all right, are you ready? Let's shop. Oh my God, it's gorgeous. This is exactly what my house is gonna look like at Christmas. Alrighty, here we go. All right, before we head out, as always, we are at Labico, New York City, getting my lemon ricotta pancakes. Oh my God. Thank you. Whoa! Oh my God. Bum, bum, bum. We're in a taxi, yeah. This is so authentic right now. By the way, it's freezing. Oh my God. Dun, dun, dun. Oh. Whoa, 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 baby! Oh, hello, lovely ladies. This is the best lamp ever. Are you kidding me? I want that. Look at that, all silver. Get another one of these. This mirror is a vibe. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, hello, little cutie pies. I love you. Oh my God, they went here in Sex and the City, so we're gonna go. I actually just got hot chocolate because I was freezing. But anyways, cheers. There's a little Christmas market around here, so we're gonna go there. All right, Columbus Circle. Look at this. So cute with all the lights. Look at how cute. It's like the Christmas markets in Europe. Oh my God. This is the cutest little market. Hi. Oh, I don't know what these are, but look how cute they are. Oh, stop. You put plants in them? I'm dying. This one kind of looks like George. Oh my God, they look just like the lamps in Dubai. Look at how fun. A little wooden piano. Oh, I love all these little things. Home art. That's me. Same. Little food thingies. Oh, a shoe peddler. Oh, and look at the architecture. We're just like right in the middle of New York City. This is crazy. You gotta hand it to New York. This is a really cool city. Aren't these cool, you guys? Look at that. These are unbelievable. Wow.
Wow.
Woohoo! Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's just so beautiful in here. The Plaza has a gift shop now. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. You guys know I'm so weird. I love gift shops. Look at this. They have towels. How fun is that? Would that be so weird to use these in my house? Really? Look at how cute these are. Oh, I want them. Why do you have to be sold? Oh my God, fun, 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 fun. Look at this. This is so cute. Yay! All right, on to the next. Running in and out of traffic like a psycho. All right, but anything for Bergdorf's. The store displays around Christmas are unbelievable. Look at this. Like, what's even happening? This is crazy. So cool. Hi, little poodly animals. Oh, honestly, we match. Alrighty, let's go. I literally love malls. Wow, this is just like, oh my God, I want to live in here. Oh, look at the decor. This is literally just going to be a vlog showing the decor everywhere. It's gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look, it just gets more and more beautiful. Oh, wow. Unbelievable. Wow. Bitch, same. This is literally the best thing I've ever seen. Look at this outfit, you guys. Oh, iconic. If I was like literally 4 years old, I would need that. Oh my God. Unbelievable. Wow. Oh my God, look how beautiful this is. This is gorgeous. Wow. Oh, Christmas themed Manolo Blahnik jingle bells. That's amazing. Oh, you guys recognize this? I have this. This is, oh my God, the store displays here are impeccable. Oh my gosh. This is gorgeous. Oh. Hello, gentlemen. Wow. Literally my outfit of the day every day. Look at how beautiful these are. Oh my gosh. Oh my God, this one. This is beautiful. Oh. Hyperventilating. Oh, I love Christmas stores. Oh, good omen. This is the prettiest little tree I ever saw in my life. I don't even want to know. This is $2,000. Holy fuck. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, 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 oh my gosh. Oh my God, I actually love this so much. This is so cool. Oh, this is what I want my floor to look like in my house, I think. Oh my God, the feather tree, I'm screaming. Look at this. Oh, serving. I know I could make that. I'm gonna do a DIY of that later. This is like Chanel if it was a house. Quite literally, we are in Chanel. I mean, same, no fire, just give me giant crystals. Oh, wow. Oh, my darlings. Whoa, this is the most chaotic shoe I've ever seen. Whoa. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh my God. This is crazy. A vibe. Woohoo! We are killing it. And we totally go with the vibe in here right now. Oh my God. Yes. Ugh. Literally, New York is unbelievable. Look at this candle. Vibes, same. Oh my God, I feel like this is a good omen. Wow. Oh, a mood. Oh, look at this. Oh. Wow, wow, wow. This is, I mean, this is unbelievable. Are you kidding me? This is like dreamland. Sparkly stuff everywhere. New York, New York. All right, Fifth Ave, show me what you got.
I'm so cold right now.
Oh, it's so pretty with all the lights. Oh, beautiful. The extraness and drama of the store displays for the designer stores is just insane. Look at this. This is so beautiful. Oh my God, I want to live in there. Hi, yeah, can I buy that star thing in the back? Oh, wow. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, now that's my kind of cooking, man. Oh, it's literally like I made this. This is literally me presenting the food that I did not make. I can't cook, but I'll do that.
The soundtrack to New York. Ugh.
Woo! Absolutely incredible. Thank you so much. Oh my God, Cartier looks unbelievable right now. Look at that. Ah, little snowflake earrings. These probably cost $13,000 million. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Wow. Oh my gosh. I wish I needed multi-million dollars worth of diamonds. Maybe next year. God, please, send me a rich boyfriend.
I'm kidding, not really.
Dun, 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 dun. Let's go see the big tree. Oh my God, there it is, you guys. There's the tree. Oh my gosh. Beautiful. Look at Saks. Wait, I'm dying. This is so cool. Saks is giving like a full-on performance right now. What? Whoa.
It was like Disney World, but better.
All right, I admit, I'm cheating. Shout out to my Uggs.
All right, we're gonna run to Times Square because I'm such a tacky tourist and I need to get a souvenir.
Woo! It wouldn't be a New York video if I didn't go to Times Square.
Times Square is insane.
They have a little Times Square market too. Oh, this is so cute. Wow. Look at this. Oh my God, it's adorable. It's freezing cold, but that didn't stop me. Ice cream and cookies, man. Hell yeah. I'm so lame. Gotta go in. I love these stores. I dropped my other one. Oops. I gotta get another. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Wow, look at the Nordstrom display. So many trees. Whoa, these are huge. By the way, for dinner, we went to see a burlesque show, and it was literally the coolest thing ever. 50 out of 5 stars. If you guys are in New York, you should absolutely check it out. The girls were fantastic. Absolutely hilarious news. I forgot to pack enough underwear. We're actually gonna get some underwear. Hilarious. Literally in the airport.
And on that note, I was on my way to Paris. Ah, I missed you.
Dun, dun, dun. By the way, I'm actually doing this haul from Paris. Oh my God, you're gonna die when you see this room. I'm gonna show you guys that in a different video. Paris is absolutely unbelievable, so stay tuned for the Christmas shopping. It is going to be iconic. But anyways, for now, here's my New York City haul. What do we get? Obviously, since I'm the tackiest tourist alive, I got one of those cool little glass laser cut things that I collect. So fun. Actually couldn't decide which one I liked better, so I got both, and I don't know. So anyways, I have 2 of those at the Plaza. Oh my gosh. Oh, you guys know I love a gift shop and a beautiful souvenir. Look at this gorgeous little ornament. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. Beautiful little memory. Oh, by the way, hey guys. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. Love ya. I also got a towel. I just thought that'd be fun to put in my bathroom. What else? Oh God, this is embarrassing. Like I said, I went to a burlesque show. It was freaking amazing, by the way. The girls who performed were selling like handmade nipple tassels, so I bought some.
You know, anything to support the arts.
What else? What did I get here? Oh yeah! I got this money ornament. Honestly, I just thought maybe this would bring good vibes. Bring some good omens into your life.
Manifesting's important.
What did I get in here, you ask? Well, like I said, I forgot to pack underwear for this trip, so I actually got a bunch of these. These were only $5, so I got literally like 7 of them. They're actually super cute. Love those. So thanks for Victoria's Secret airport store for saving my life. And I got, what is in here? I don't even remember. Oh yeah, I got that beautiful little butterfly thing from the guy selling them. How cute. I actually love this. I'm gonna call these my lucky butterflies and hang them up somewhere in the house. Obviously I'm gonna paint this gold, but you know.
And there you go. That's what I bought in New York City. Hope you enjoyed the festive Christmas time. I will see you guys for my Paris videos coming very soon. Thank you so much for watching. It truly is because of you guys that I get to do anything. So thanks for letting me take you with me. Sending all my love in the world and then some. Very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Kisses till next time. XOXO, Gossip Amber. I always have to say that when it's a New York video.
By the way, everyone has to see this shirt I saw in the airport. Time for Manhattan. God, I love messed up graphic design.